Hey, Homer, you want to get a beer on the way home?
I can't. I gotta take my wife to the ballet.
Gotta go see the bear in the little car, huh?
Invisible cola. Time to stick it to the man.
Hey, careful there, Homer. I heard somebody lost an arm in there once.
That's just an old wives' tale. Just a little more. Got it. I'm stuck. Help me.
He's done for.
Let's get out of here.
Must get to ballet. Thomas, march. Hello? Can I get some help? Snack-related mishap. Candy.
Hello?
Marge, this may be hard to believe, but I'm trapped inside 2 vending machines.
Sure, Homer. Trapped in vending machines, okay.
Oh, I'm gonna have these things on my arms forever. Candy and sodas for all. Convenient.
Homer, this is never easy to say. I'm gonna have to saw your arms off.
They'll grow back, right?
Oh, yeah.
Homer, are you just holding on to the can?
Your point being? I know you didn't believe me about the vending machines. That's why I had the fireman write me a note.
Mrs. Simpson, while we were rescuing your husband, a lumberyard burned down.
Lumber has a million uses.